Okay, start. Um, okay, so now that we kind of laid out the foundations for free speech, I want to talk more about excuse me. Uh, do you believe that peaceful assembly, peaceful protest with a firearm is a protected free speech?
Uh, I think all peaceful protest is protected free speech. I think lawful carrying of a weapon is a protected right. I don't think that the weapon has a free speech implication.
Okay, and so some people disagree that some people say that it's okay to protest so long as you're not armed while while doing it, which I think is ridiculous. Um, so it's okay to be armed. It's okay to go to a protest with a firearm and for peaceful intent, peaceful. It's okay to peacefully assemble. It's okay to travel to peacefully assemble, and it's okay to travel over state lines to peacefully assemble.
Sure. Yeah, as long as there are no other violations in that. Are between the two states, do they have any rules preventing moving firearms? Whatever it is, if with no other context, all of those things are protected.
Okay. 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 So I'm gonna end it there, even though it's a minute and 30 seconds, because I feel that that was an important one.